I took one of those tests in high school and it was like, you should be an engineer. Colorado Springs Utilities is facing some pretty significant challenges with aging infrastructure. And this is the team that looks at these projects. We do failure analysis, we do condition assessment, we determine which projects need to be done. We are rehabilitating and replacing our city's water system to make sure that we've got, water at our customers' tap.
We are trying to make a difference for the future of water being more efficient, so we have less water loss by finding the old pipes that are leaking.
Keeping the infrastructure newer, updating, and keeping things working for the public. It's a good feeling.
Even when I was in college, I knew that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to be in a sort of role where you are serving the community.
Like Susan, I kind of wanted something where I'd have a positive impact. And I get contacted by the residents a lot. So I explain to them how my project is going to make their water better, and they feel reassured, and that makes me feel good about what I do.
I just want a challenge. I love the challenge and going in and learning.
How many women were in your class?
It was 60% males, 40% women.
That's good to hear, because I was the only one.
Mm-hmm. Okay, yeah, it's different now.
Yeah, it seems like, it's women are getting more and more involved in engineering, which is great to hear.
When I get into this field, there's not a lot of women, but as I join this group, I find that it's interesting to have everyone around. Being here, I feel respected. So I think that's very important to me.
When I tell people I'm an engineer, they're surprised, and their first response like, wow, I guess you're really smart. I'm like, what does that mean? You know what I mean? So
you are really smart.
The guys that we work with, they want to hear from us. They want our advice and our expertise.
Everybody brings a different perspective and a different point of view, and they see things differently and have different attention to detail.
When I walk into a room, I don't think of, I'm a woman going into a room full of men. I just think of, I'm Renee, I have a certain skill set that can contribute to whatever's going on, and they're gonna contribute to anything that I need help with.
Being a woman in a male-dominant role and having such a strong leader like Tara that backs us day in and day out and pushes us to be better makes working here that much better.
To be able to build a team of such strong female engineers is definitely a huge accomplishment in my employment here. I just want to say thank you to all the women in construction.